Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to enable Draw W gesture to make a call in your Oppo A5s mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, go to gestures in motion. Okay, click this. And okay guys, now in gesture in motion, okay, you can see the screen of gesture on the top. And okay, you only have to do is click this. And okay guys, now you can see the screen of gesture switch button. Okay, you only have to do is switch on the switch button. And okay guys, you can see below the more screen of gesture and screen of gestures. Okay, you'll have to do is click the screen of gestures. And now you can see the draw W gesture. Okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the draw W gesture to make a call in your Oppo A5s even the screen is off. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the call. And okay guys, now you can select the contact you want to call if the draw W gesture is enabled. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I select one of my contact. And okay guys, for my example, I choose one of my contact. And okay guys, automatically save the contact to draw W gesture. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the draw W gesture to make a call in your Oppo A5s even the screen is off. And okay guys, now we can try it. Okay, we have to turn off the screen. And okay guys, now we have to draw W on screen. And okay guys, after that, the pop-up below are shown. And okay, you can select the SIM you want to use to call if the draw W gesture is enabled. And okay guys, I choose SIM 1. And okay guys, now we have successfully enabled the draw W gesture to make a call in your Oppo A5s mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.